Hello everyone, today we will show you the real effect of laser wood cleaning. We will use these two machines. One is 100 watts backpack pulse laser cleaning machine. It's lightweight and easy to operate, suitable for the small cleaning tasks. And this is 300 watts laser cleaner machine and suitable for the large wood surface with more power and stronger cleaning effect. And we prepared an old wood chair. As you can see, there is obvious dirt, paint, and dust on the wood. Let's show you the cleaning effect. Okay, let's start from 100 watts. Okay, now let's see 300 watts cleaning effect. As you can see, the chair is completely renewed. By comparison, 100 watts and 300 watts has significant cleaning effect on the wood. You can choose according to your needs. If you have any needs, please contact us. We will give you the professional solution on wood. Next, we will show you the comparison before and after cleaning.